This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have something different for you guys. I'm going to show you how to achieve this very magical fake fall golden hour look with just one bare flash. I have done similar photo shoots like this before, but they had a bit of a different vibe. Here I'm experimenting more and sharing more tips with you guys on how to achieve this look. So let's get into it. Here's me setting up my light on the location. I'm using Godak's AD100 as it's super small, light, and perfect to carry around. I'm using an orange gel that came in a kit with this flash to create that golden hour look. And I set it up on this cheap small tripod I got from Amazon. The attachment that lets you move the flash around also came with the AD100 kit. All links to all products I'm using will be in the description. The time of the day is really important here. If the ambient light outdoors is too strong, the flash won't be very visible, so you want it to be a bit darker outside. The best time is at blue hour, which happens right after sunset. In my case, I googled what time is sunset in my city, which was at 8:30 p.m. So I knew that it would be best to start setting up after 8 p.m. The blue hour only lasts about 20 minutes, so you have to be fast. Think of your poses and concepts before the photo shoot because you will have very little time to execute it. So this is what the pictures look like with and without the flash. These two are unedited, straight out of camera. The backlight gives this really nice separation of the subject and the background, and the orange gel makes it look like sunset light, and it turns the leaves into this really nice yellow color. And notice how without the flash we still have quite a bit of light on the model. This is what we want. Without at least some natural light in the front, we won't get that same effect. For these next shots, I actually moved my flash a little bit lower and I angled it straight. So this way it will be lighting up both the branches on the tree and a little bit of the floor, and it will give us just slightly different look. These two are just examples of how different angle of the flash will change the effect. In the one on the left, the flash head is pointed up, so it lights up the top of the picture. And on the one on the right, it's pointed straight, so it lights up both top and bottom. You can experiment with different angles and get different results depending on what you like.
Yes. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Love it, love it.
But before we move on, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creators with a big variety of classes in videography, photography, business, productivity, and lots more. I love their photography category. You can find anything from tips for amateur to advanced tutorials taught by top-of-the-line photographers. This time, I'm going to recommend you guys to check out the new class by Thomas Frank called Productivity for Creatives. Being productive and procrastinating is something I personally struggle with, so this was a great course and I really enjoyed it and discovered some new ways of dealing with my struggles. If you're still not sure, Skillshare is giving away 1 month free trial to the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description, so you can start exploring your creativity today. So thank you Skillshare for sponsoring today's video and supporting my channel, and let's get back into the video.
Stay like that. The only bad thing is that if I want to move just a little bit, I have to move this thing. Just super annoying. But it's worth the result. Amazing.
I also wanted to compare these two pictures. In the one on the right, I decided to angle the camera a little bit more to the right, so that way it lets in some of the direct light from the flash by her arm at the bottom. It gives you a really nice flare and adds some interest to the picture. I highly recommend you guys play around with this effect if you decide to do a similar photo shoot. For this next location, I switched the position of the flash just a bit. Instead of it being directly behind the model, I put it a bit on the side, and I moved my camera on the side a little bit as well. Hopefully this diagram can illustrate it a little bit better.
Maybe, you know what, maybe turn around this way and step a little bit more out of the bushes. Yeah. Right there. Portraits here, and yeah, I think this is gonna be better. Yes, it's gorgeous. Okay, see, like that, I'm gonna do one without the flash just to show what it looks like without it. And now a few more with. Yeah, I really like this. That. You know what, can take one more step this way and then again turn around with your back towards those. Yeah. Yes. Yes, that's gorgeous. Woo, so beautiful.
Let's do the last picture comparison before the end of this video. On the left, I have the flash right behind the model, so it's directly backlit, and then on the right, I have the flash a little bit to the side, so giving it a nice side light. And there's the diagrams on the bottoms of the picture, so you guys can see exactly where the model, flash, and me were located. Let me know which one you like better. I think I prefer the side lit one better. It's just a little bit more magical for me. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below which ones were your favorite pictures. Let me know if this is something you guys are going to try out. And if you do, please tag me on Instagram. I love seeing the kind of pictures you guys create when you're inspired by my work. And yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.